Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says 2 times 9 minus 6 squared over 2 plus 5 times the square root of 7 minus 3. So I'm going to start with grouping symbols, and there are a lot of them in this problem. I have the parentheses on top. I have the fraction bar, which separates the top from the bottom and behaves like a grouping symbol. I have the set of parentheses on the bottom, and I have the square root symbol. So I'm going to work 9 minus 6, 2 plus 5, and the 7 minus 3 first. That will give me 2 times 9 minus 6 is 3 squared over 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 minus 3 is square root of 4. Now I'm going to move on to my exponents. I know that 3 squared is 9. So I would have 2 times 9 over 7 times, I can work the square root of 4 and get 2. 2 times 9 is 18, 7 times 2 is 14, and if I reduce this by 2 over 2, I will get 9/7.